conventional, customary, classical, stereotyped, ritual, brief, concise, succinct, compressed, compact, summary. Begin, initiate, commence, inaugurate, undertake, instigate, solution, formula, remedy, resolution, panacea, way out. Show, exhibition, demonstration, display, presentation, showcase. Strong, formidable, robust, durable, tough, substantial. Views, opinions, notions, beliefs, ideas, concepts. Agree, assent, consent, in favor, comply, approve of. Migrating, shifting, moving, relocating, departing. Old-fashioned, outdated, obsolete, outmoded, antiquated, ancient. Dangerous, hazardous, perilous, risky, threatening, insecure. Information, data, figures, details, facts, statistics. Youth, adolescence, young people, teens, childhood, juveniles. Have, possess, occupy, own, hold, retain. Acceptable, reasonable, appropriate, fair, satisfactory, adequate. Problem, hindrance, obstacle, setback, misfortune, plight. many, countless, numerous, myriad, considerable, manifold.